And welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 7 Lite version in your Android using Limbo PC emulator. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 7 Lite version in your Android using Limbo PC emulator. In my previous video, I've already shown that how you can run Windows 7, and there are a lot of versions of Windows 7 I've shown that how you can run in your Android using Limbo PC emulator. So this is the another version. So this is the Windows 7 Lite version I'm going to show. First of all, you have to download the Limbo PC emulator, the downloading in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Windows 7 file. So this is the Windows 7 VSD file, the downloading in the description. First of all, you have to open the Limbo PC emulator application. So I am using 5.1.0 version of the Limbo PC emulator. Make sure you are using this version only. A lot of people getting problem while booting up Windows and setting up the Limbo PC emulator settings before running the Windows. So I recommend you to only use 5.1.0 version because I find this is the most stable version of the Limbo PC emulator and can run any Windows ISO file. So now you have to give the machine name. First of all, you have to click on the new. You have to give this machine name. I'm going to give this machine name Windows 7 Lite. So I've given the machine. Now you have to get in the CPU boards. You have to select the CPU model. I always select Cordio for the Windows. I've selected the Cordio. You can select any version of the CPU. CPU codes, I'm going to select 4. RAM depending on your smartphone specifications. I'm going to select about 1500 of RAM, but you can select as much as you can or less according to the smartphone. And you have to enable the MTTCG and you have to uncheck the disable TSC. So this is the main setting you have to do in the CPN boards. A lot of people can't enable this MTTCG. So if you can't enable, you have to upgrade the Limbo PC emulator. In older version Limbo PC emulator you can't enable this, but the Limbo 5.1.0 version you can enable this. So we have done all the settings in the CPU board. Now you have to get into the disk. You have to select the disk A. You have to click on the none. You have to click on the open. Now you have to select the downloaded Windows 7 file. Let me just locate it where I have put it. So this is the Windows 7 VSD file, about 640 MB. Now you have to select on the boot. You have to select the hard disk, and you have to keep the settings as same at default. You have to get into the advanced. You have to click on the high priority. So this is all the settings you have to do in the Limbo PC emulator. And before, I am going to turn on the screen rotation and turn the Android phone to get the better view and better understanding. So let me just turn the Android phone, set up the camera and come back in. So as you can see in the screen, just now I've turned my Android phone to get the better view of and better understanding. So I've done all the settings in the Limbo PC emulator, and I'm going to just click to play button. So as you can see in the screen, finally waiting for some seconds, about 1 minute. It taken about 1 minute to fully boot Windows 7 in my Android. And as you can see, this is the Windows 7 and running in Android with using Limbo PC emulator. So this is the status bar of the Limbo PC emulator. I am going to hide it. So this is the full screen. Now as you can see, this is the Windows 7 Lite version. So the developer have made some customs settings in this. They have changed the wallpaper and changed the icons. So they also changed the mouse cursor. So as you can see, the mouse is very smooth in this, and this Windows 7 is in Russian language, but you can use it in your Android phone. If you get difficulty while you change the language from the control panel, or if there is no English language in the control panel, and that will be the different procedure to get the English language in this Russian Windows 7. You have to download the English for the Windows 7, then you have to get into the control panel, then change so that was the different procedure. But if we can do that, if you want me to show that, I can make a separate video on that, how you can change the language of the Windows. So as you can see, this is my computer, and this Windows 7 have a C drive with lot of storage, so you can install any PC software in this. If you want to install PC software in any Windows, let me know in the comments. I try to show. In my previous video I've already shown that how you can install any software in Windows XP, but till now didn't show with Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10, Windows 11. So there are a lot of upcoming videos on my channel, to make sure to subscribe. In every single video I try to show the different version of Windows 7, Windows 8, with the different concept, how we can install PC softwares, how we can access internet, and how we can use fully working PC in Android, how we can install PC softwares. A lot of things in my upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So as you can see, this is the Windows 7 Lite version, perfectly running in Android with using Limbo PC emulator, and this is the very smooth version of the Windows 7, so we can install a lot of PC softwares and we can also enable the internet. So in my upcoming video, try to show, let me know in the comments if you want that video. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.